Everyone wants to make money online. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 apps that help you make money from your phone doing only a little bit of work. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and now let's get right into it. Alright guys, so first up on the list is The Plug. This is an awesome app on iOS. By the way, all in the video, if you have iOS or Android, there is going to be an app for you. So don't, worry if you have an Android right now. We're going to get to that in a moment. But this is called The Plug. Easily monetize your following. Make money. You could earn $5K in 24 hours, $50 per day, reviews, okay? The way this works is pretty simple. You make an account and then you basically will get paid to get other people to install apps, okay? So what you want to do is you basically link your Snapchat, your Instagram, or your social media followings, okay? Even if you don't have a ton of followers, even if it's just friends and family, right? Not everybody needs to have a ton of followers. So you pick a promo. Choose an app to promote, post it to your socials, choose from high-performing campaigns, copy a link, and download new ad media daily, okay? So they have a lot of the promotional material for you, things like images, videos, things like that, so you don't even have to really create anything. Make money. Earn plug coins for your promotions, turn coins into cash, cash out anytime with PayPal, receive fast payments, and view your account history with ease. You can see the earnings right here. See your promotion in real time with rich analytics and notifications. They have a referral program, okay? If you want to get this app, the link will be in the description. I have a referral code with you and you'll get a bonus. We've driven tens of millions of app installs globally with our creators network. This is a very good app, guys. I'm not just saying that. Very good reviews, very official app. If you're wondering how does the app make money, it's pretty simple. If you make an app and you want other people to install it, people go to The Plug to get some users, to get some initial users for their app. So that's where the advertising money comes in, and they pay you the majority of that money in the form of plug coins, which you could then redeem for PayPal cash. It's pretty simple, guys. And like I said, you don't need to have a ton of followers, all right? The more followers you have, the more money you make. But even if you only have a few hundred and you get some people to install it, you could still make money. All right, this is a very good app. Link will be in the description. Definitely check it out. Next up, guys, is Manifest. Okay, so this is another really cool app. It's similar to The Plug, but the difference here is you actually create the promotional material. So how does this work? Become an influencer, create eye-catching content, promote brands and get rewarded, and then you withdraw instantly. All right, so this app has 4.1 out of 5 stars from the App Store, okay? Mostly good reviews. It's not going to be a replacement for a full-time job, but you can make some money doing this. You could definitely make a few hundred a month doing this. So the way it works, again, is simply you sign up. You have to be okay at making content. You don't have to be great at it. Even if you're shooting a simple video, hey, I use this to, for whatever, depending on what your promotion, I use this brand for this reason, and that could be your promotional content. All you need is a phone for this. You don't need to do a crazy video editing. It can't be horrible, right? It has to be at least 720p content. Most phones are gonna do that anyway. So if you have any phone after like 2013, you're good on this, okay? If you have something before that, maybe this isn't for you, but this definitely can be a good option for you if you're more of a creative type, okay? If you're good at creating content, or if you want to explore that avenue at all, marketing, things like that, definitely check out this app. This is called Manifest. This is also on iOS, so this is a very cool one. The last one on the list, guys, is Money App. Now this one is on iOS and on Android, so I told you I'll have something for you Android people. Complete simple offers and earn money. How does this work? Well, the way it works is pretty simple. They have little missions for you on the app, little tasks, if you will, and what you do with these, they could be a lot of different things, all right? They could be as simple as going to a store, or looking at something online, or answering a few questions. It's very typical for a lot of the other money apps, but this one's cool because it's on iOS and Android. This one's a little bit different from the first two because you're not promoting anything, you're not creating anything, you're simply doing tasks, all right? So how's it work? The Money app is very simple to use. Getting some extra money is as easy as 1, 2, and 3. You earn credits. Complete as many tasks as you can in the Hot Offers tab. The tasks vary and can be watching videos, sharing, completing surveys, and many more. We recommend checking the offers stated as hot as update often and provide high credit. Cash out. Once your credit balance is enough to cash out, you can do so at the Payouts tab by requesting a payout to be sent to your PayPal account. Enjoy your money. Payouts take around 48 hours, so about 2 days. It's not too bad, and are paid directly to your account. They are paid directly to your PayPal account. Guys, this is PayPal money. If you have a PayPal account and a phone, all of these are going to work for you, all right? My personal favorite is the first one. That one is my personal favorite, but Manifest is great for creators, and Money App is good if you don't want to do any promotion, no creating, you just want to do a couple simple tasks and make money. This is for you. This one is probably the most boring of the three. However, if you're that type of person who doesn't mind watching videos and answering some surveys, this one can be for you. These are 3 apps that you can use to earn free PayPal money, guys. Link to the plug is in the description. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share it. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, have a great day.